Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and baseline settings so you can isolate the problem efficiently. First, detach and inspect the mic jack and cable for dirt or damage. Replace the cable if bent. Once done, plug the headset into a known good phone or adapter to confirm whether sound is present. Make sure Windows or Mac OS input is set to the Cloud Alpha device and temporarily disable any software effects so you're working from a neutral audio state. Next, focus on software layers that commonly cause mic problems. You should update the audio and chipset drivers, but if the issue began after an update, try rolling back the driver. This often restores stable routing. Then choose the Cloud Alpha as the default input. Set the sample rate to 44,100 or 48,000 Hz, and adjust mic boost or input gain. Too high causes clipping, too low causes inaudibility. Test live with a voice recorder. To finish, perform hardware-level checks and final resets so you stop guessing. You should swap the mic with another confirmed working Cloud Alpha mic, or try your mic on a different headset port to pinpoint faults. If the capsule or cable shows wear, replace that component. Once you've confirmed the physical parts, restore audio settings to defaults and retest. If the problem persists despite these steps, contact HyperX support for warranty repair. One key troubleshooting tip: always test on a second device to rule out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.